Hey guys, this is Mama Maid. So I wanted to go ahead and film this video. It's later than normal, but better late than never. Every year I give certain family members and also a friend of mine a big box. Someone I know works at an office and she will give me these paper boxes and they're perfect for heavier couponing items. I have done baskets. What else have I done? I have done a few different options of things. I've also wrapped smaller boxes. So what I'll do, instead of just giving them this paper box, I'll take everything out. I actually just have one that's completely empty. I will wrap the bottom of the box, put all the stuff back in it, and then wrap the lid separate and put the lid on top of it. So that way they can just pull off the lid and see, and they don't have to physically unwrap everything. So anyway, that's what I like to do. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what is in one of the boxes. The other two, they are almost identical. However, this is for my one sister-in-law and she has kids, so I have thrown in a few kid items. I know one of them has sensitive teeth, so I did give them a sensitive thing. So it can just be kind of depending on who it's for. You can really personalize items. Now, I have been collecting this stuff all year long. I'm giving 3 huge boxes packed full. I'm telling you what, my family members absolutely love this. They appreciate them. My one brother-in-law, he's like, oh, I love this. He's funny, but he's also being dramatic. He's like, we don't have to buy toothpaste all year long. It's great. If you really think about it, I know he was trying to make a joke, but I can never go to the store, buy all this stuff 3 times and give it to family members. We don't have that much money. That would be crazy insane. I didn't even think about the value of this. I would probably say, I don't know guys, $150 maybe worth of items. That might be a little lowballing it too if you just went and paid full price. So that's enough rambling. I will put links to the videos that I did last year, and then I've done baskets, I think the year before. This is probably as big as I'm going to get for them, but let's go ahead and just go through what I put in them. So they each got our pack of razors. My sister-in-law loves purple, so I put those in there for her. So we have a Febreze Air Freshener, the Lysol wipes. Believe it or not, I actually got those. I think it was January or February last year. It was before everything started going crazy. I did most of this stuff here I got for free, but some things I paid like 50 cents to $1 for. I think I only paid 50 cents for the wipes and 50 cents for the toilet bowl cleaner, so I'm sure they'll appreciate those. Those Arm & Hammer, I'm pretty sure I got those for free, so I got them a pack of the packs and the liquid. This little Febreze scent thing, which they don't really work all that well unless you really put them like in a drawer or a small closet. A little pack of panty liners. All this toothpaste here. So I really like to stock them up on toothpaste. So for the kids, a kid's toothpaste, a kid's mouthwash, and an adult mouthwash. The hair care, I got a shampoo and conditioner set, a 2-in-1, and something I was really disappointed about, I couldn't really gift any hairstylers this year. I don't know if anyone else feels like this, but we really did not get many hair styling products this year. So hopefully in 2021 I can buy some of that stuff and gift, because I usually am able to give them that, and I just didn't get any this year. Okay, so the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner, and again we got like junky, we got a whole bunch of Suave, but we didn't get a whole lot of free soft soap or other brands like that. So I did get them 2 of the cocoa butter. Now they do have kids, so they could probably use this on the kids as well. And then a big bottle of men's 3-in-1. We got 2 of the kids. We have a Purely Fun and this watermelon stuff here. That one's a really big bottle. All these makeup products here. Yeah, it's a powder, foundation, a little eyeshadow, 3 things of lip stuff, and 2 eye products, a face wipes, 3 toothbrushes, this little mini crest scope thing, a hair mask treatment, and some floss. I'm pretty sure, I know she uses Dove, and I don't know about the husband, but some Old Spice there, and then this cute little facial mist. It's probably more for the summertime, but I think I got that super cheap on clearance at CVS a while back. Now, something I thought about doing this year, if I get time, I'm going to type out a list and have them fill it out, like a chart of their favorite shampoo, conditioner, body wash, different makeup products, whether they like the soft or medium toothbrushes, their toothpaste, their razors. I want them to fill it out. Like I said, this is if I get time, and hand it to me like in a month or two. That way next year I can really try to personalize their gift boxes. Because a lot of times I have this huge box in my basement that when I get stuff, and it's not really our favorite brand, I just throw it in there. Now, the only thing with that is a lot of times I don't get exactly what's on the list. So I would feel probably weird giving them things that aren't on the list, but I don't know yet if I'm going to do that. If anyone has done that and you think that it works really well, go ahead and let me know. But I'm kind of afraid that if I get a list and it's not items that I get for free, then I'll feel bad giving them something that's not on their list. I don't know. When I talked to my one sister-in-law about it, she's like, we have our favorites, but we love everything that you give us. So I think they're just appreciative, even if it's not their favorite brand, to just get stuff for free that they don't have to pay for. And you know what? If they don't like the item, they can pass it on to somebody or just get rid of it and not feel bad about they wasted their money on it. Because, like I said, majority of this stuff was super free. I probably paid like, I don't know, $5 for all this stuff, I'm guessing. I mean, it was very, very minimal for all the items. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share what's in my Christmas boxes this year. And if you want to see previous years, I will have those videos linked below in the description box. And then I'll post a picture at the very end of this video of what the boxes look like once they are all wrapped up. So this is for my other sister-in-law, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I think it's for her. So kind of just, most of them are exactly the same, but some things have a few different items. Yeah, I think I have some pain relief in here. My one brother-in-law has some issues with that, so I throw that in there as well. But you can kind of just mix and match items depending on who they're for. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Sorry it's late this year, but had a lot of stuff going on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.